kamusta naman po ang bawat isa sa inyo? Naway nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan at ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. So, for today's video po, as you can see, I'm cleaning all the seafoods, preparing for the celebration tomorrow, Mother's Day celebration. Ayan, we have 2 big crabs. Yan, kalilinis ko lang. Brush ko siya. Yan. 2 big crabs. Gusto nilang kumain ng cold crab tomorrow. And abalone. A lot of, I think, 15 pieces of abalone. I need to clean them. Yan. And a few shrimps. Pang starter po yan. So, yan. Muli, samahan niyo po ako guys at tayo po ay mag-prepare. Need to prepare all those seafoods early kasi need to soak this with superior pickle sauce. Yan. Tayo rin po yung nag-i-steam ng dried scallop para po sa isang dish natin para bukas. Ayan. Need to steam for 45 minutes. First 45 minutes and then set aside. At pag naging malamig na siya, lagay po natin sa fridge and then tomorrow early in the morning I need to steam for another 45 minutes kasi lunch po yung aming celebration sa Mother's Day bukas. Doon po kami sa bahay ni Lola mag-celebrate. So, yan. Samahan nyo ako guys at ipiprepare ko po ang lahat ng mga seafoods na to. Now, I'm going to steam the shrimp. Yan. Just steam for 5 minutes kasi maliliit lang siya. Preparing naman sa next na steam natin yung crabs. At least 35 minutes na steam ko po yan. Next, need to clean also those balloons. Buhay pa sila. Kailangan po natin i-brush para matanggal yung mga black niyan. Malinis po siya. Need to take out the shell. Tapos na po yung shrimp at need po natin steam yung crabs. Yan. Done steaming the shrimp. Need to cool down first before putting the superior pickle sauce. Next, na-steam natin yung crabs. Masyadong marami yung tubig. Ito po, 1 more chopstick. Yan. Ito na po yung malalaking crabs. Steam for 35 minutes. Ilagay po natin yung timer natin. Yeah. 35 minutes. Okay. Need to wait until 35 minutes while preparing the abalone or cleaning the abalone. Now I will use this bottle for the shrimp. Lagay na po natin siya dito sa bottle. Need to put Saotian wine and this one. Superior pickle sauce. Now, lagyan na po natin ng wine. Yan. Now, the superior pickle sauce. Kailangan lagpas siya. Yan. But shrimp need to soak only for half an hour, 30 minutes. Or else, pag nasok ng matagal, parang medyo salty kasi yung sauce. Kaya, yung shrimp, madali lang niyang ma-absorb yung sauce. So, half an hour lang. Then, itapon natin yung sauce. At least magtira tayo ng mga konti lang. Hanggang ganyan lang. So, yan. Done na tayo sa shrimp. Now, need to take out the abalone from the shell para malinis pa po natin mabuti kasi may itim-itim pa po siya. Ganito po magtanggal. Yan. At least 16 pieces abalone ang tatanggalin natin sa shell niya. Tuloy ko lang natanggalin lahat yung shell. Yan. Non-steaming the crabs. Yan. Naitapon na rin po natin yung sauce ng shrimp. Kasi exactly 30 minutes na ang nakaraan. So yan na po yung crabs after na-steam. So wait until it cool down and then need to put inside the fridge. Gusto nilang kumain ng cooked crabs. And now done cleaning the abalone and ready for steaming. So yan, steam na po natin yung abalone. I think 5 minutes is enough. The size of the abalone is not so big, so 5 minutes lang. Done steaming. Ready na rin. So yan. So yan, nalagyan na pa natin ng pickle sauce yung abalone at narap na rin po natin yung crabs dahil malamig na. We can put now inside the fridge. Yan. Ito we can soak until 6 hours. So yan, nalagay na natin sa fridge at ito po yung crabs na sa baba. So, yan lang po. Thank you so much everyone sa inyong pagsama po sa akin sa aking pag-prepare ng mga pagkain, ibang pagkain bukas para po sa celebration ng Mother's Day. So, thank you so much and God bless everyone. Bye-bye po.